Energy plays a vital role in our everyday lives, and it is the ability to do work or to produce heat. We've got two basic forms of energy, and those are potential energy which is the ability to have energy based on the composition or position of an object. We also have kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion, which we already know a fair amount about. Okay. Chemical systems can have both types of energy. We've got kinetic energy, which is going to be directly related to the motion of the atoms or molecules that a system has, and it's going to be proportional to the Kelvin temperature. Again, these are some things that we've already covered in unit number 2. The potential energy in a chemical system depends on the type of the atom. So what you've got as far as your substance, the type and the number of chemical bonds that you have joining atoms together in your particles, and the way that the atoms are arranged. We'll talk about all of these things, type of atoms, number and type of bonds, and arrangement of atoms a little later in the year. Just like we have the law of conservation of mass, we also have a law of conservation of energy, which states that any chemical reaction or physical process, energy can be transferred from one form to another but it cannot be created or destroyed. Just like mass cannot be created nor destroyed. Now, when we talk a little bit more about chemistry, these types of energies can be specified a little bit more as far as the potential energy. And we say that systems have chemical potential energy. Based on the amount of energy that they have stored because of their composition. Okay. Our focus is going to be for Unit 3 is going to be on heat. Heat is energy that's in the process of flowing from a warmer object to a colder object. And the symbol for heat is a lowercase letter Q. We're going to look at heat in a few different ways, both qualitatively and quantitatively, over the next couple of classes.